to the categories. We give awards every year to outstanding student groups. So there are 3 of these awards, and I'd like the representatives of the student branches to come up. This first one is the Best New Student Branch Chapter Club Award, and it goes to the student branch chapter at, Fundacao, Universidade Federale do ABC in São Paulo. Club Chair Carolina Marcus Vellore is here. Yes. The Outstanding Student Branch Chapter Club Award, the BIED Student Branch Chapter, Vellore Institute of Technology in India, Club Chair Andesh Samiani. Is he here? Yes. And the Outstanding Chapter Award to the IEEE EMBS Bangalore chapter, and Suram is the chapter chair. I believe a part of the history is that Atam Dewan put a meeting on point-of-care technologies into Bangalore, and 2 years later, we show up with outstanding chapters as he inspired a number of the students and faculty in that area. So we're just thrilled that this happened. The next one is the Distinguished Service Award, which goes to Dr. Bin He from the University of Minnesota for outstanding service to the IEEE EMBS. He's another one of these people that if I were ever to try to go down the bio, you would be here forever. I'll simply point out some of the EMBS related things. One of them is that he was in my shoes a few years ago. He was past president of the EMBS. A second one, actually, we've had some interesting paths. He's now the editor-in-chief of the Transactions in Biomedical Engineering. This is our flagship. It's 50 years old, and I know we are in this world of impact factors and things like this, but if you take another statistic, which is total citations, this is the most cited general purpose biomedical engineering journal in the world. And then he's running this meeting that I just told you about in Washington. Spectacular service to the EMBS. So congratulations, well deserved. Sorry, missed YT's nomination. Technical Achievement Award, the first is to Brian Cunningham, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. And the Technical Achievement Awards, there's an honorarium and a plaque, I believe we have. These are technical awards recognizing outstanding achievement by individuals in a technical area of biomedical engineering. And Dr. Cunningham is at the University of Illinois. He is an expert in photonics. I had scribbled a note, which I don't find at the moment, but I believe you will look and find that he has been a long-time record of expertise in photonics, photonic materials, nano-sized structures, and he has moved into the biospace with interesting optically based biosensors. We're looking at proteins, RNA, DNA, other molecules, and has a very distinguished record in that. So the citation is for development and commercialization of optics-based biosensors and detection instruments for applications in drug discovery, diagnostics, environmental monitoring, and life science research, nominated by Utan Demirci. Truly one of our outstanding, and I think getting even better. I'm not sure, younger, mid-career, whatever it is, this fellow has done a lot and he's going to be doing a lot more. So we're very proud of him. Next goes to our own Zhi-Pei Liang, nominated by Leslie Ying. No, this was not a setup for the conference organizer. It really was an awards committee that no one had it. I don't have any influence over it either, so this was not done that way. Zhi-Pei has a tremendous record in lots and lots of areas, both technically and in service, education. He wins all these teaching awards is among the other things that he does. If you look down through his resume, it seems like every conference, either he or his student is winning a Best Paper Award. He's got a distinguished book that co-authored with Paul Lauterbur on magnetic resonance imaging. Indeed has made a number of tremendous contributions to the field in image processing as applied to magnetic resonance imaging. So the citation is for fundamental and pioneering contributions to the theory, algorithms, and biomedical applications of model-based magnetic resonance imaging. Congratulations. Early Career Achievement Award. This is, well, it's for what it says it is. It's for early career achievements. This is to Ki Wang at Columbia University. And I did have a note, but I seem to have misplaced that as well. There it is. Okay. Outstanding career, early career. It actually has 2 PhDs, one from Harbin Institute of Technology in the field of robotics and another in electrical engineering from McGill, where he's worked in haptics and computer-human interfaces. Did a postdoc at Harvard, was a research scientist at Georgia Tech, and then has joined Columbia University. He's looking at his CV, he's well-funded, lots of, all that kind of thing. Well-funded, lots of papers, making an early impact, several Best Paper Awards at conferences. This indeed is a man who's on the rise and has a spectacular career ahead of him. So congratulations to Ki Wang. Max Viergever, who I first met when he was editor-in-chief of the Transactions on Medical Imaging, and he too has an outstanding career. Max received his early degrees from Delft University, and since 1988 he has been professor and head of the Department of Medical Imaging at Utrecht University and founder and director of the Image Sciences Institute and their various PhD and master's programs. The citation is for outstanding career achievement. So part of it is academic. This is his academic work at Utrecht, leadership, setting up academic programs, PhD programs that he's done. Also for research, co-author of more than 500 scientific articles and co-author of books, guest editors. Research interests comprise all aspects of medical imaging. Again, too many awards to mention, but he's a fellow of the IEEE, the Institute of Physics, and the Medical Image Computing and Computer-Assisted Intervention Society. And again, he has provided extraordinary service to EMBS as editor-in-chief of the Transactions on Medical Imaging. Very, very well-deserved award. Max, congratulations. I am told that none of our newly elected fellows of the IEEE who are EMBS members are here, but these are the people that were elected. Khosrow Behbehani, University of Texas at Arlington, Martin Buss from Technische Universität München, Branko Celler from CSIRO, Christos Davatzikos from University of Pennsylvania, Alejandro Frangi from Sheffield, and Christopher Johnson from the University of Utah. And I know they're not here, but let's give them a round of applause anyway. And this award, and I do need to find my script for this, This is the Biomedical Engineering Society award, a Biomedical Engineering Award. It's an IEEE award. Obviously, we're interested in it because of the title, but it's actually not our award. It's an IEEE wide award, and Lihong Wang is the recipient. Ordinarily, the president of IEEE would appear instantly and give the award. So I'm going to read his script for this award. So from President DeMarco. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to be here today to present the IEEE Biomedical Engineering Award. It is sponsored by the IEEE EMBS, the IEEE Circuits and Systems Society, and the IEEE Computational Intelligence Society. It recognizes outstanding contributions to the field of biomedical engineering. This year, we are indeed fortunate to honor IEEE Fellow Professor Lihong Wang, the Gene Beer Distinguished Professor of Biomedical Engineering at Washington University in St. Louis, for pioneering photoacoustic tomography. When we speak of advancing technology to benefit humanity, we speak of technologists like Professor Wang. His trailblazing work in photoacoustic tomography has not only created an entirely new field of endeavor, but opened up new possibilities for medical diagnostics, research, and treatment. In both photoacoustic microscopy, or PAM, and photoacoustic computed tomography, PACT, Professor Wang has made enormous contributions to each field. His invention of three-dimensional PAM and his demonstration of the first in vivo functional PAN system are considered signal moments within the evolution of the technology. More importantly, however, the advances that Professor Wang has made are playing a key role in detecting cancer and thereby saving lives. Similarly, he has made remarkable strides in PACT technology. His work has included development of a unique and visionary ring-shaped PACT system built as a means to eliminate current limitations of systems. In addition to his exceptional efforts with these technologies, he broke new ground with Monte Carlo modeling code that has become a foundational resource for biotechnologists throughout the world, and this paper has received more than 1,600 citations. The explosive growth of photoacoustic tomography is ably evidenced through the growth of the conference that he chairs each year as a part of Photonics West. For more than a decade, the conference has been doubling in size since 2009, and is the largest conference held as part of Photonics West. Perhaps most importantly, he's always kept in mind the reason for his work, the positive impact it has on lives, on people, and for this reason, he has worked tirelessly to bring photoacoustic tomography into the commercial realm, enabling the development of clinical tools powerful enough to image structures ranging in size from tiny subcellular organelles to entire organs by themselves. One of the endorsers wrote that he has a rare combination of qualities, including exceptional creativity, determination, and technical brilliance. He's unafraid to pursue unconventional and technically demanding strategies with high potential impact. Others have said that he has vision, exceptional creativity, technical brilliance. You get the picture. So, congratulations. This is a spectacular award, and for spectacular work. This award, I'm going to say a little bit, but contrary, we didn't let the speakers speak, but this fellow I'm going to invite up on stage, but he's going to get a whole hour of rebuttal to whatever we have to say. So I would like to introduce briefly Dr. Hood, if he would come up on stage. He's president of the Institute for Systems Biology, and we're just going for a picture opportunity, or that's later? Okay. So he won this IEEE-wide award. That award was given Saturday night in Amsterdam at an outstanding award ceremony the IEEE runs. It's on video. If you go to the IEEE video and you look at 1 hour and 24 minutes into it, you can find an exceptionally nice filming of that award ceremony. I'm only going to cut out two things that I thought would be different to mention, and we talked about these at dinner last night. And one was, we both remember Thomas Kuhn's structure of scientific revolutions. And if you think about the technology for doing sequencing that he has worked on, The structure of scientific revolutions envisions an idea where concepts are wild and unfocused, and then someone like Newton comes along and defines the field, and then the field kind of expands out. And I think what Dr. Hood has done is to take the chaos that was a lot of biology, provide tools which gave us a way to interpret the genome, and then out came all kinds of activity that went on after that. So in that sense, he is firmly in the place of how the scientific revolutions started. He also talked about 6 different breakthroughs that he's been involved in. We're only rewarding him something for one of them, and he's going to talk about the other 5. So glad to have you here. I at least wanted to get a photo out for us, and this is we have this both. I think this is where the talk that's about to come